What's good? What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, J Spray. I got another exclusive for you. So y'all know I had resprayed my Impala, right? I don't know if y'all picking up on that. It's a white car. Decided to try a little something different with it though. It's in the shade right now, but you can still pick it up. Look at that. It's hitting. I'm gonna get a better video for y'all later on, but this just to give y'all an idea what to expect. Back it up a little bit. Oh, happy Mother's Day to everybody out there. It's a mother. Bear with me. So much she can drive. Alright. Now let's see what we got here. It's so bright, man. It's really bright. But as y'all can see, it definitely changes color. A lot of y'all said the color white can't flip flop. Well, there you go. We did it. About 5 or 6 flips. Alright, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, follow, hate, love, all that. Except all that. But I got some more projects, so you don't want to miss out on it. So stay tuned.